Hello everyone, I welcome you all to D2R Design Academy. In this video, we will be discussing about the latest job notification released by Indian Army. This is for the short selection commission for the technical post. So in this video, we will discuss about the complete departments or profiles the candidates are required and what the vacancy details, application procedure. The website link for application is given in the description. You can check it out from there. So like this, if watch my video till the end to know about all the application procedure. If you like the video, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel to stay updated about latest government as well as private job updates which I bring out on a regular basis. I also get out internship opportunities from various reputed organizations on a regular basis. Yeah, hello friends. So this is the official notification released by Indian Army. So they are inviting applications from unmarried men, women and widow persons. Candidate should be a citizen of India, and these are the nationality requirements. You can go through them. And age limit is candidate should have age limit from 20 to 27. It means that he should not be born after 2001 October or before 94 October. So within these 2 dates he can be born. And for a widow applicant, she can have a age of 35 years maximum age, and the date certificate will be only assessed from their SSC marks memo in 10th marks memo. Educational qualification is candidate should be having a bachelor's degree or he can be in a final year in engineering discipline for technical courses. Okay, now all those details we'll check out in this. Candidates in their final year should not have any backlog while the time of application. Right. For non-technical, he can have a graduation in any discipline. For a technical, he should have a bachelor's degree in engineering stream. So what are the vacancies we have and what are the engineering streams that are required for the job profiles? So for a job profile of civil engineer, the vacancies are 60 and the candidate should have a bachelor's degree in any of these fields, either in civil engineering, either in structural engineering, either in building engineering, construction, any of these fields. He can apply for civil engineering post. In the same way, for architecture, any of these fields and the vacancies are 1. For mechanical, any of these fields and the vacancies are 5. Electrical, there are 8 vacancies. Electronics, 2 vacancies. And computer science, there are 31 vacancies. So all these vacancies, you can go through them in the notification. I will be sharing the link in the description below. Right now, the total vacancies for men are 175. The total vacancies for men are 175. Now we'll discuss about the women profile. For the women, the vacancies for civil are 5, for mechanical are 1, for electrical and electronics are 1, and in the same way there are various fields in that required for the job profile, and the total vacancies are 14. For women there are 14, for men there are 175. Now the candidate is permitted to apply only for one disciple. So a candidate can apply for only one post. He cannot apply for multiple posts. Right. Now fee guidelines for widow candidates are available in the note 2. And here commission training is the candidate will be absorbed as a lieutenant after completion of training. And the training duration will be 49 weeks. Okay, during this time he shall not be allowed to live with his parents or he will not be allowed to get married. If he does any of these things, then his application will be cancelled. Okay, so the tenure of engagement. What is the tenure of employment? This is for 10 years duration, and if candidate would like to extend, he can apply for 4-year extension period, or else he can apply for permanent commission as well in the 10th year. So cost of training is 12,908. This is for those people who would like to cancel their application during the time of training. So if he has applied for cancellation, then for each week he has to pay that much amount to the commission. Now on the vacancy about the probation and promotion periods and salary structure. So here the rank, he will be first, after the completion of training, he will be assigned a lieutenant rank. After completion of 2 years, he will be assigned as promoted to a captain, next major, lieutenant colonel. So these are the promotion criteria and rules over here. Now coming to the pay scales. So these are the basic pay scale plus allowances will be provided. Now the pay scale is lieutenant starting post, so it is in the pay scale range of level 10, 56 to 1,77,000. 500. So this is the basic pay scale. Next we have allowances. So we have the military service pay. This is MSP. This is 15,500 per month. We have other allowances as well. Now I will show you those allowances. So these are the allowances we have. Next we have, depending on the rank, we have HAFA and field area allowances. We have travel allowances, transportation allowances, uniform allowance, Siachen allowances will be provided, high altitude allowance. So these are various allowances. We have educational allowance as well and hostel subsidy. Okay. Now about the training period. These are whenever you have completed the training and absorbed into the commission. Now when someone is at the time of training, so what will be his pay scale or training stipend amount. So during the time of training he will be provided fixed stipend of 56,100. Okay, during the time of training he will be provided 56,100 rupees for every month. Now these are the details about the allowances. You can check them out again in the notification. How to apply? A candidate first should have to reach to this web page. Next, entry application, officer entry application or login. Next, complete his registration process. After registration, he has to click on apply online application, where about his eligibility vacancies will be shown. For his eligibility, he has to click on the apply and fill his personal information, communication details, educational details and details of previous SSB. Next, click on save and continue. After this, he has to submit his application, and there is important thing you have to note that every time he opens his application, he has to click on the submit button or else it will not be changed. So again it says that after 30 minutes candidates are requested to check their application after the last date. Right. Now about this, the candidate should submit all the certificates from the control of examination issued by controller of examination, not by any other organization. Next, he has to submit a certificate from principal or head stating that he does not have any backlog candidates in the final year, and he has to also submit that with the 1st October he will be submitting his degrees, if not within 12 days of training period starting. And candidates has the right to limit the cutoff percentage for different engineering streams. So he will be, who have been selected, they will be required to go for the interview process in Allahabad in the following 4 districts: 1, 2, 3, 4. Allahabad, Bhopal, Bengaluru and Kapurthala in Punjab. Right. Now about the last date. So the last date is 23rd June 2021 by 3 p.m. Should apply the application, submit the application by 3 p.m. So better to consider the application deadline as 22nd June and submit the application. So this is how about the complete application procedure. I will be providing all the links in the description. You can check them out. If you have any queries, you can comment down in the comment section. I will get back to you. Till then, stay strong, stay safe. Till we meet in the next video.